understanding development, perspectives, measurement, and sustainability. The economic progress of a country is known as economic development. Let us see the indicators of economic development. The major indicators to measure the level of economic development are net national product, per capita income, purchasing power parity, and human development index. Net national product. Net national product is considered as a true measure of national output. It is also known as national income. A rise in per capita income means an increase in aggregate real output. Hence, this is a better indicator than national income for measuring development. Per capita income. It means the average income is calculated by dividing the country's total income by its total population. The average income is also called per capita income. Purchasing power parity. It is defined as the number of units of a country's currency required to buy the same amount of goods and services in the domestic market as $1 would buy in the US. Human development. The term human resources refers to the collective abilities of people which can be utilized in the production sector. Human Development Index is the one which indicates all-round development of the people in the society. Sustainability of development. Sustainable economic development is taken to mean development without damaging the environment and not compromising with the needs of the future generation. Natural resources can be divided into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are replenishable resources which are pollution free and environment friendly. These resources take a short time for renewal. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are non-replenishable resources which pollute and damage the environment. Millions of years are needed for the formation of these resources.